Alright guys, so let's have a bike check. First of all, the group set is Giore M5100. This is the 11 speed group set. It's the Giore. And for the shocks, by the way, this is a 1x11, as you can see. And for the shocks, it's the Rock Shocks Deluxe. So this has a lockout. The frame is aluminum, and there's only green as of the moment. As for the brakes, this is MT200 with 180 rotor at the front and 160 at the back, and Trans X seat post. And for the handlebar, it's the Entity series, and this is very basic with Polygon. The grip is nice, and this will stay for sure. And brakes, hydraulic brakes, MT200 Shimano. And the shifter is Giore as well, M5100. For the tires, it's Swalbe Nobinik. And for the rims, it's the basic rims, which is the Entity. It's the stock of Polygon 2XL. So yeah, this is the Polygon 2022. Mine doesn't come with the pedal, so I bought a new one, though it doesn't match the color. It's the only one available at the shop. But that's okay. So what I like about this bike is they include this chain protector. It's really nice, and of course it's already 11 speed. It will stay, you know, if you're not doing some enduro or what, this is good enough. And of course the seat post, this is very handy, you know, it's very good. And I like the frame. I don't know what it's called, but probably a snake skin or something. Yeah. And for the fork, it's a Rock Shocks Recon and 120mm. And for the saddle, it's the Entity as well. It's a very good one. I think the model is Void. This is a good one. It's very comfortable.